next letter of Hindi alphabet is E. 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 It is similar to E, but it has this sign over E. It is E. 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 E sounds as EA in English words: heat, beat, seat, meet, treat, etc. Now we will see some words having the letter E. E. Isa. Isa. Isa is a word for Jesus. Isa. Isa means Jesus. Isa. Isa. Isa means Jesus. Iran. 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 Iran is the name of a country. Iran. 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 Easter. 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 Easter is a Christian festival. Easter. 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 Eid. 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 Eid is a Muslim festival. Eid. 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 Ikai. Ikai. Here we have both the words E and E. Ikai. This is E and this is E. This is E and this is E. Ikai. Ikai. Ikai, unit. Ikai. Ikai means unit. Ikai. Ikai means unit. Kai. Kai. Kai means several. Kai. Kai means several. This is written form and this is printed form and this is handwritten form. Kai. Kai means several. Kai. Kai.